Hi and welcome to oScholars tutorial. I'm Jay and this tutorial will be talking about assignments and projects. This Chisum happens to be the one that is logged in. She's a student in the school system and I will be talking about how she can actually work on assignments and projects. As is review the assignment she has been given and also upload um, document as the response for the assignment or the project. Now, if you look at this particular navigation bar, you find out that assignments has one as an as in a red background beside it. It shows that there is one active assignment. There's one assignment that she has been given, and the deadline for the assignment has not elapsed. And attention is needed for her to actually work on that. Now, clicking on this particular button, you should be presented with the interface to work on the assignment. And find out that this assignment is still the red background one is referencing mathematics. Therefore, clicking on mathematics, you have access to that particular current assignment. This is the name of the current assignment, and this is the text. That is what the assignment says what the teacher says you should do. In a situation whereby a document was uploaded as what as the specification of the assignment, you have a link here for you to download and view the document. Now, according to the assignment, it is required of the student to actually upload a response document, and clicking on this, the person can choose a file, maybe a prepared doc file or presentation file or a PDF. Then the person can upload it and click submit, and the thing becomes submitted and the assignment becomes answered. A situation whereby is you are not required to upload any document. We just need to actually see the question the assignment asks you to do and write the answer in the assignment booklet and submit it the following day. And here shows the duration of the assignment. The assignment is supposed to start by this and end by this. So after this particular day, the assignment become expired and you can no longer upload any document on the platform. And clicking on this, you'll be able to see all assignments has been given for mathematics. You find out that this is the third assignment as we given the second one. This is the first one. And if you look at the first one, you have that it has been marked and the score is 10/20. The text is this is what the assignment says, and also it shows us another document actually giving us in fuller detail about what the teacher wants you to do. And this is the weight of the assignment, and this is the document the student uploaded as a response to the assignment, and see the particular interval of time it was required for the student to respond to that assignment. This particular assignment is not required for you to upload any document. That's why you didn't see any document here at all uploaded by the student. And the teacher didn't actually specify any text or anything. So to some extent, to a very large extent, this application can be used according to the way the teacher wants it. If the teacher wants the student to do in this situation, this kind of assignment actually is the assignment whereby the teacher doesn't really need the student to use their own application to actually work anything about the assignment. He's just using it to record the score of the assignment so that it can be computed against their results at the end of the term. Now, these assignments we just discussed and the projects, they actually look exactly the same. And having discussed the assignments, we will actually deem it fit to actually not discuss assignment projects because we'll be repeating ourselves. Thank you very much for checking out this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and make sure you sign up on oScholars.